In this video, I'm going to show you how to use custom instructions with ChatGPT. So if you haven't already set these, custom instructions is basically a set of preferences that you set up for every AI response. So you set up one series of instructions or preferences, how you want the AI or ChatGPT to create results for you. And so we are going to do that right now by heading over. You see, I'm in ChatGPT 3.5. So head over to your profile, which is going to be down in the bottom left corner. You're going to see custom instructions, and there's a list here. It says, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? So here I have said what I do. Here's what my business is and the focus that I am, basically another iteration of what I do. And then I might add a little bit more in terms of my personal values or style here. But over on the right side, you'll see thought starters. So these are some of the questions that can help you with this material. Then how would you like ChatGPT to respond? Like basically, what criteria do you want the AI to consider when producing results for you? So I want it to be highly organized. I want, for all marketing activities, I want to use a reader first style as opposed to a writer first style. And so if I'm going to be using marketing copy, I would want a reader first style. That's one of my personal rules for effective marketing. Suggest solutions that I didn't think about. Treat me as an expert in all subject matter. Be accurate and thorough. Provide detailed explanations, and so on. And so I have provide unique responses, because I find oftentimes I need to be specific about this because ChatGPT just gives, it's language and it's using the internet. And so if there is all kinds of, results for skiing in the Canadian Rockies, I don't just want to consider content that's that generic. I want to find unique ideas. So that might be something that you would want to include there, and list URLs at the end of your response, not inline, and link directly to products. Or there's a few things that I have in there. So that's basically the idea of how to use custom instructions. Now, when you do use custom instructions, you also need to remember that there are times when you don't want custom instructions to apply to your results. And in that case, you can just go into your message ChatGPT and say, ignore custom instructions. And then you might, do something entirely unrelated to the work that you do typically with ChatGPT. And you might say write a kid's or write a story about an ice cream truck coming to your neighborhood, like completely unrelated to the work that you do. And so, ChatGPT is going to ignore the custom instructions and then write a story about an ice cream truck that came to the neighborhood. Anyways, that is it for custom instructions. I hope you found this helpful.